Hey, Booba, you want to play hide and seek? Okay, you hide, I'll seek. I'll count to 10. Okay, do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. It's a Blippi toy. Jonathan. And a Booba. Got a Booba. I've always wanted one of those. I have an idea. You go up, hatch the Booba into like a whole bunch of little Boobas, and I'll sneak out of your snake hole, and I'll grab them. And then we'll take the Boobas, and we'll have all the Boobas in the world. We're gonna get you, Blippi. We're gonna get you, Jonathan. We're gonna get those Boobas. Booba, where are you? Booba! Boy, he's hiding really good. I bet you he's behind those eggs over there. Oh no! Booba's been taken over by snakes! I'll bet you Bandit was behind this. Great job, Sneaky Snake. I can get the rest of it from here. I'm just gonna go stick my hand through that tunnel you made me, and I'll go get those little Boobas. Haha, we got Boobas now! Yeah. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8 Boobas. You say 8? Good job. Yes! We got them all! We got all the Boobas! How many did you get? Let's count them! Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 3.
Stop right there.
4. 5. 6. 7. Oh, he's got a guitar. He's cool. 7. 8 boobas. Scared little fella, ain't you? Don't be scared. I ain't gonna hurt you. 8 boobas. Cool. Oh no! Bandit's got the boobas. Oh no, he turned them into a whole bunch of them. We have to save them. Let's go. Did you see that? There was an avalanche. How are we going to get the boobas back out? Oh no, what are we going to do? We need Jonathan and maybe a bulldozer. Okay. Hey kids, can we get through the avalanche with a crane? An orange crane? What do you think? No? Right, we can't get through there with the crane. You're so smart. Can we brush through the avalanche with a garbage truck? Can we use that? No, you're so smart. Jonathan, how are we going to get through the avalanche? What can we use?
That's a bulldozer.
A bulldozer. Is Jonathan right, kids? Yeah. Okay, let's get the bulldozer, Jonathan. Let's do it. Hurry, Jonathan, get the bulldozer. Plow through the avalanche. He's almost through the avalanche. Go, Jonathan, go!
I got you. I got you. I got
you. You'll never catch me or my boobas, Jonathan. I'm gonna run to the jungle. You'll never catch me. Oh no, he's tying me up in a vine. Help! Please don't take my boobas. Oh, thank you. I get to keep these? All I had to do was ask.
Kids, don't steal. Let's ask. Let's play, please.
Great job, Jonathan. You saved us. You saved the boobas. It's a Jonathan song, and he's singing along. He's happy all day, he loves to play Jonathan's way. It's a Jonathan day, it's a Jonathan